Hi, I'm Marna, and the mailman just came on Saturday up to our door, and they brought this, which was a big surprise because I knew that my YouTube dolly friend, Darla Young, was sending me an American Girl saddle that she had found at her Goodwill. Please visit her channel and look at what a good Goodwill she goes to frequently. She gets the greatest deals. It's incredible. But how nice of her to think of me because she knew that I collect the, seems like I'm getting more and more, but horses for my American Girls. And she offered that to me and I was really excited. Anyway, I'm pretty sure there's more than that in here. And maybe not, but this is kind of heavy and I know what those saddles look like. Let's open this up and see what's inside. I feel like a kid at Christmas, I really do. I'm so excited about that saddle. I've started collecting the American Girls, kind of got there through Chatty Cathy's, who are some of my very favorite dolls, all of the Chatties, but Chatty Cathy especially. And they just remind me of them, and I really like the American Girls, and I like fixing them up. Oh, wow, holy cow. Darla, 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 thank you. Oh, wow. There's a note in my Happy Mail. Let me see if I can get to it, kid. Thank you for being kind. Me? I believe you. Here's the saddle and some extra things you might like. Thank you, Darla. Really, thank you. All right, let's... Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's look at the clothes. The saddle. Oh. Wow, wow, wow. Look at these bows and barrettes. Oh, I love those. Oh, wow. These are so cute in doll hair. And I have the, oh, look, a matching one. And I have the my size dolls, the 36 to 30. Oh, look at these. The little headbands. That is cool. And I'll tell you something. I've seen people take these and make troll clothing out of it. And look at this. Oh, wow, that's a choker I could wear. Oh, man, that's... Oh, look at this. Oh, how cute is that? When we were little girls, a lot of times we'd all wear the same barrettes in our hair. Oh, look at these bows. Wow, 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 wow. Look at these. They've got like rope. Those would be pretty in my hair. Oh, look at this. Now, you all might see a hair tie. I see a Barbie skirt. Isn't that cute? Oh, wow. Just a bunch of bows and fun stuff here. Oh, I love St. Patrick's Day. That is going to be adorkable on one of my dolls. Oh, this is fun, 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 fun.
Move that cardboard box all the way back.
Oh, I'm sorry. I want everybody to see. This is so, oh, wow, 4th of July. Darla, you know that I dress my dolls for 4th of July and decorate my house. And oh, look at that Christmas one. Look at this. I've not seen a hair clip in a butterfly that big. Isn't that cute? That's really cute. Wow, that would be pretty on. I have a black, this is black velvet. I know you can't see that in TV land, but that's black velvet. And I have a black velvet dress I'm going to put on one of my size dolls come December for the Christmas. Oh, isn't that cute? Look at these. Oh, I'm gonna have to sit down and really look these over. That flower, it's really detailed. We had to download our camera, the camera, and so while Darren was doing that, I was digging through here, and I just want to highlight a couple of these. Isn't that adorable? And that'll go around like an 18-inch doll's head as for a little headband. And this, I love elves at Christmas, and that is so cute. There is so much fun stuff here, but let's go on. Let me move this over, and I'll dig through each and every one later. Oh, that's cute. There was a doll stand in there. Who can't use a doll stand? And this is 18-inch doll clothes. Oh my goodness. Isn't that adorable? Oh, I'll bet this, it does not say, but boy, this is quality sweater. That is a very nice, won't that be cute with jeans or a little red skirt? Oh, that's so cute. Little pair of, I bet this goes together, I'll bet you. Look at that. How cute is that? I'm just looking for tags out of curiosity. And, oh, that's cute. That looks a little wider than the 18-inch dolls, and that's fine. I have dolls. Oh, do I? Oh, look at this. A little hoodie. You know what? That looks wide enough. The same width. This could be Build-A-Bear. I hear people talk about those Build-A-Bears. I wonder if that wouldn't just go over that. The purples look compatible. Well, that's really cute. Oh, speaking of purple, look at that. And, oh, wow. United we stand. Oh, I love this. You know who this is going to fit? This is going to fit one of my little princess dolls. And she's going to wear that, well, for sure on 4th of July. That is so cute. Oh, look at this. Look at this. This has shorts to go with it. Isn't that cute? Little boxer shorts or running shorts. Oh, this is just so cute. Darla, Darla, Darla. This is so cute. There is so much in here, I can't even get over it. Oh, and there's some, I thought it was just a little bag for a doll, and it feels like there is something in here. Oh, isn't that cute? It's got like confetti. That is really cute. A little doll, and it gives it a little weight so that if you put that on your doll, let me see what that tag says, if I can. Looks like Darcy and somebody.
Almost smells like soap or something.
Yeah, it does, like it's a little sachet. But that would be cute for a little purse hanging on their arm. That'd be real cute. Here's the saddle. Oh, wow, not just the saddle. You are really something, Darla. Wow. Look at these hangers. They are our generation hangers. And there's 4 of these. That is so cool. And get some clothes hung on it. Here's the American Girl saddle. Isn't that cute? And that actually has, it's not a slide like the Batat. That actually has a buckle with holes for the horse. That's interesting. That is really cute. See, American Girl. I seem to be collecting that stuff. and a stand. Like I said, what doll collector can't use another stand? Oh, wait. Oh, is that adorable? That'll match these other purple outfits. Isn't that cute? It's got a little Velcro. And that's their size. The American Girls, our generation, the My Life As, that's cute. But guys, what do you think this is? Let's open. And it's on a stand. Set this down. Ooh. On a stand and wrapped like Christmas. I'm so excited. All right. Oh my goodness. What a beautiful Our Generation girl. If you could feel this hair, it is, let me see if I can gather this up and show you how thick this is. Look at that hair. And it's strawberry blonde. Oh, I love that. My little granddaughter has strawberry. My daughter-in-law and my little granddaughter have strawberry blonde hair. And I love orange. And I'll bet you that Darla put that bow to match that outfit in that, oh, that, she is adorable. Oh, I am overwhelmed with joy and gratitude. Thank you so much. This was so fun, and I appreciate every last bow, and again at Christmas. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and check out Darla's channel. She's worth subscribing to. She does a lot of different doll videos as well as Goodwill hauls, just all kinds of things. Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment. What is your favorite thing in my happy mailbox?